Doze by C. Joe is one of my favorite brands to order sheets from, and they kindly gifted me this set in my favorite color, blush. And here you see what's included in this 4-piece set. It has a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. I also love how well made these sheets are. The stitching is really nice, and here you can see the thick elastic around the fitted sheet. It has deep pockets and stays securely in place on my mattress. These sheets are made from 100% viscose from bamboo, and they feel incredibly soft and smooth on my skin. They have that buttery, luxurious feel, but they still are lightweight and breathable. And here you can see the envelope closures on the pillowcases. It's just a beautiful color. And here I added my comforter on top. So if you want buttery, soft, cooling, and well-made sheets that make you not want to get out of bed, these are a great option.